that was a 7-minute workout, I guess. I really, this is a ruler. Rulers are good. So I've had a shower and food and got dressed and stuff now and done some more work. So that happened. Yeah, that was a 7-minute workout app. I really like it. It's good because it's not too long, it's quick. I do it right when I wake up because then I have my shower afterwards. It walks you through everything, which is great, and it really makes me feel more healthy, sort of, more active, more awake in the mornings, which I didn't used to feel before, so that's good. Today, I've got lots of stuff doing for today, which means there's not a lot of stuff I need to do this evening because I've got the whole weekend off. I'm off tomorrow because it's Good Friday and Easter and stuff, even though the Easter holidays doesn't start for another week because logic. So tonight I'm going to clean this room and try and watch some more Daredevil, which I still haven't watched any more of. So over the next couple of days, I reckon I really want to finish the series, and I'm falling behind on Flash and Arrow and Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. Although I'm hearing only bad things about Arrow now, so I don't know. If this illicit drama thing continues in the next couple of episodes, then I'm just going to drop it from my list of things to watch, and I'm sure I'll be able to get what's happening from watching Flash and Legends. So that's happening. I'm also going to edit these vlogs, which I haven't done in a couple of days. Let's open the blinds. What does the sky look like today? It's grey and rainy and just so I'm gonna go to school now. So I didn't do one yesterday. To the time lapse maybe. School's over, but my mother is picking me up for another. Well, yeah, she's picking me up because I had to stay late for drama rehearsals. Because the exam's next week. So plan for tonight. I'm going to walk and talk through the suburbs of Portland. So the plan for this week, tonight even, is I'm not going to do any studying stuff tonight. I'm going to. People in that car wondering what I'm doing. I'm going to clean my bedroom because that's something that needs to happen. Watch some more Daredevil. I'm going to try and get that almost finished tonight. I'm between episodes 8 and 9 at the moment. So I think if I get 9, 10, 11 and then 12, 13 tomorrow, that's a good plan of attack, I think. Then watch Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. I've sort of got this fear that Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. is going to contain some kind of spoilery reference to Daredevil. Let's face it, it's probably not. But I like to watch my MCU in order, even though the Netflix series were all out of sync. Classic Netflix. Other than there are birds, I don't like birds. I don't mind birds. Organised some stuff for the weekend, so lots of cool vlogging looking stuff. Other than that, there's not much else going to really be going on tonight. That's pretty much it. But I will keep you posted. I might go out for a jog thing, but that depends how quickly I can clean my room. And I kind of wanted to redraft media again, so I don't have to do that tomorrow. So yeah, that is all for now, I guess. I'm back from school. Yeah, it's still here. Forgot about this. Actually, right up can be scored out. So the only items are watching Daredevil and writing another to-do list. which I'll have to do at some point over the weekend, or whenever I next need a to-do list. Anyway, I'm going to clean this room because it's a touch messy. So, you know what? Time lapse time.
When we wake up, we'll be naked, unaccounted and embarrassed. For the sheets are relief maps of the landscapes we created.
Rain! The camera's quite wet. Rain happened, so I'm not outside anymore. The tripod and the camera look a bit wet, but everything seems to be working, so I'm just going to try it off. It is raining really quite heavily. I don't know if you can see. Hang on. Clearly you can see that. I don't know that you can see that at all. It's raining quite heavily, just take my word for it. Anyway, the room hasn't gotten any cleaner. I've just been sort of chilling out watching YouTube videos, getting changed and stuff. So I'm going to clean the room now and switch you off. I think I've cleaned most of my room now. So I'm going to go and edit the 2 vlogs from yesterday and the day before that, because I've been super busy and haven't had a chance to edit. I know, to frame over. And haven't had a chance to edit them yet, so I'm going to go and do that. Then I'm going to watch either some Daredevil or the Scottish Parliament's Leaders debate is on at 9, so I feel like I should probably be a good modern studies student and watch that, and watch Daredevil tomorrow. I don't know.
Every single person